Intelligent, efficient feeding with DEPRAG feeding technology. The timely supply of parts and fasteners is a major factor in achieving the highest productivity and uptime of any assembly process. DEPRAG feeders supply those parts and fasteners as needed in volume and orientation, all precisely coordinated. DEPRAG is one of the worldwide market leaders with over 40 years of feeder experience and a manufacturing output of over 35,000 feeders. The user has several different feeder technologies to select from. DEPRAG offers a well-engineered and fully developed program of standard and customized solutions. The vibratory bolt technology, also known as an oscillating technology, is by far the most often used feeding technology. DEPRAG's Easy Feed system is a vibratory bowl feeder of the newest generation. This system offers energy savings of up to 80%, Industry 4.0 compliance, ergonomic operation, optimized modules, and a high uptime. Sword feeders are an alternative to vibratory bowl feeders. They're especially useful when the assembly requires extremely gentle handling of fasteners, as well as a low abrasion and noise-reduced feeding. Step feeder systems are specially designed for the feeding of long, rotationally symmetric fastening elements. The 24-volt DC technology provides trouble-free, reliable operation, independent of AC voltage or frequency. DEPRAG step feeder systems combine all the advantages of a step feeder with the outstanding energy efficiency of DEPRAG vibration and control technology. Linear feeders or linear conveyors are mainly used in cases where a larger distance has to be bridged between the feeder and the assembly machine. A pick-and-place process is available in cases where feeding through a feed hose or feed tube is not possible. Such cases are screws with extremely short thread length, rivets with a large collar diameter, as well as parts featuring complex external geometries. When using a tape-on reel feeder, it is possible to reliably feed small components or adhesives, either single or double-sided, by picking these parts off a reel. These feed systems are equipped with highly precise sensors and a rapid-action reel lock. Screw presenters are actually a low-cost, quick solution for small batch assemblies. Even fasteners with unfavorable measurements can be processed using screw presenters. The DEPRAG feed module, DFM, allows access to screw positions that are hard to reach, i.e. circular housing forms, by an integrated vacuum-assisted feature. Screws and nuts can be positioned mechanically and secured in place by vacuum suction. The integrated stroke mechanism uses a cylinder which precisely controls the start pressure transferred to the fastener. All of this is achieved independently from the operator. Our standard equipment can be easily adapted to fit your operating conditions. You benefit from our vast experience with fully developed and tested feed systems at an exceptional price-performance ratio. DEPRAG subjects every feeder to an endurance test, which simulates the operation of your production process. Additionally, we provide comprehensive documentation that includes the start procedure and operation of your feed system. Our storage and refill systems ideally complement your feeding system. The automatic refilling optimizes the required refill intervals and allows for a constant fill volume. The DEPRAG storage and refill systems are flexible in application for various components, no refitting required from one component to the next. Besides screws, DEPRAG is able to automatically feed other components such as pins, nuts, O-rings, connection elements, labels, and various small parts that are presented on reels. When technical cleanliness is required, for example during the assembly of electronic parts, special requirements are made even on feed systems. To avoid abrasion in all its forms, our low-friction sword feeders are an excellent solution. Additionally, we offer constructive measures such as an optimized insertion point of the bit into the screw head and a controlled reduction of the screwdriver speed to optimize threading. To facilitate the clean feeding directly above a part, we developed the particle killer. Even the smallest particles will be removed by vacuum suction. From the very start of a project, DEPRAG provides comprehensive support and service to its customers, and in particular for the supplied assembly equipment. We offer feasibility studies and evaluation of all feeding criteria all the way to the detailed construction. Solutions of special requirements, such as space restrictions, are part of our expertise. A comprehensive system solution with the multitude of DEPRAG screwdrivers is always an option. Components that are perfectly matched with each other, sufficiently tested, your single source supplier, DEPRAG. With our feeding solutions you benefit from over 40 years experience with more than 35,000 delivered devices, the global availability of our components, all made in-house, Industry 4.0 capability and an integrated concept for technical cleanliness, our compact modular design and highest quality. Intelligent, efficient feeding. DEPRAG, high tech for global business.